short presentation, I will show you how to perform the out-of-the-box experience in Azure Virtual Machine. I will be working on the Windows 11, and when you need it, for an example, if you want to test autopilot, especially a new version of the autopilot, during your provide the credential during the installing, and the machine is installing what is defined in the autopilot. So here is a script on this page, and what this script is doing: install and configure VNC server with the password that is provided here. Open 5900 port on the local firewall. Remove all AppX packages for successful run of the Sysprep, and finally do a Sysprep. And then after that you will be able to connect to this machine using a VNC and perform out-of-the-box experience. Okay, so I have my script just here, and it do everything, but I do it one by one, and for an example I will stop on this part. So simply I will not invoke the Sysprep, I will invoke it manually. Okay, I save it and start executing that one. Type VNC is installing on this machine. And what is important, and what you need to do if you want to connect externally, you need to allow port 5900. So I will add this rule. In the meantime, from my IP address, and service will be custom 5900, and the name is just the VNC. Okay, so I'm adding that one. Okay, so VNC has been installed, and now removing user AppX packages, it is needed to successful run of the Sysprep. Okay, so let's wait for a moment. Okay, and so there is a question. Okay, just recommended action is just reboot system to perform the out-of-the-box experience, but okay, let's wait and try to do it manually later. But now I will try to connect to this machine using a VNC. Okay, continue and provide password. And so I am connected to the machine, and I can provide password. I was disconnected from here, but now I am connected via VNC. Okay, and so let's use a VNC perform Sysprep. If it is not succeeded, I will reboot the machine and do the same. Okay, so let's say we are starting the system. Okay, so probably pending updates are here, so I'm going to restart the machine. Run the script once again, not manually. I just did that one, and as you see, finished. Some packages has been uninstalled, more, and Sysprep finished, and machine just rebooted. And now I can connect to it via the VNC and perform out-of-the-box experience. Okay, let's try. I hope it is just finished. Not yet. But after a moment I can connect to machine, provide a password. Once again. And I am connected. As you see, it is just out of the box experience and the machine is in Azure. By the way, it could be in any cloud. Sometimes reboot is required, so you need to reconnect using VNC. And now you can perform the installation using a Microsoft account. So I think that's all, and in that case you have out-of-the-box experience in any cloud.